Hey guys, old school customized Raj here. I had to go put on a sweater's getting a little chilly out here. Besides, my girl said the shirt that I was wearing underneath is a muscle shirt. Kind of a muscle shirt, but she said I look like a guy that just rolled out of the ditch. What? She could go put on a sweater. So I did that. Either way, this video is based on the 33 Roadster. You know, it's been a year already since all the stuff I accomplished. If you guys seen my videos, you'll see the little, the things I've done to that car. Like I said in the beginning of my videos, the very first video I did on this car, I mentioned that the car is a fiberglass car. It was split in two. I put it together and did a little bit of fiberglass work. I'm not gonna do too much body work right now until I get done with the rest of the car itself. But like I said, I mentioned in my videos I need a rear end, but I'm probably won't get that till next year, and I'll have a rolling chassis after that. I'm still debating if I'm gonna do ladder bar or what you call it, leaf spring. No, not leaf spring. 4-link suspension. I don't even know why I mentioned leaf springs, man. Probably thinking about my Nova. Either way, like I said, this video is based on what I've accomplished this year on that car, that Roadster. So I think I did pretty good for my first time. It's I'm just taking my time with it, because like I said, it takes money to build cars like this, and I got 4 hot rods. So I'm enjoying this one. I really am. I really am enjoying this one. And like I said, this is just a small content of everything I've done within a year. And there's more to come on this car. So stay tuned for 2025. It's going to be a good one, especially on that Roadster. So I'll see you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Old School Customized if you haven't. Like and comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I really appreciate everything you guys have done for me, and on subscribing and liking. So thanks, and here comes the video.